In this video, we'll show you how to change the throttle body on your Ram 1500. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change the throttle body on your vehicle, you need to remove the engine cover and the air intake system. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. Remove the air hose. To do this, push on the tabs and pull on the hose. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, loosen the holding clip for the air intake duct on the airbox. Then shift the duct. Then, using a fork, remove the wiring harness retaining clip. These clips are fragile. Disconnect the throttle body connector. To do this, start by pulling on the red tab. Using the flathead screwdriver, lift the tab that secures the connector. Then unplug the connectors. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 8mm socket, unscrew the 4 bolts that hold the throttle body in place. Then remove it. Protect the inlet of the air intake system by plugging it with a clean cloth to prevent impurities from polluting the system. Remove the used gasket. You can also use a fork to help you. Then clean the impurities at the gasket with a paper towel. You can order the throttle body used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new gasket, take the new throttle body, remove the cloth. Put the gasket back in place. The locating piece allows you to put it back on correctly. Install the new throttle body. Then screw the retaining bolts back in. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. Replace the air intake duct. Then screw the hose clamp back on. Reconnect the hose. Plug the electrical connector back in. Operation complete.